kapit nating Muslim. Okay, ano pipot juo? Okay.
اوكي ما بقول صديق.
Saim? Kam اليوم.
يوم 12. يوم واحد.
Hi guys, on another episode of Samurai Channel. We are here at Chamsin Bakery, and what I have here is a gift. It's a sweets that's only available during Ramadan, and later we're gonna taste this one and gonna show you how it looks and how tasty it is. So guys, these are the sweets that Chamsin Bakery gave us when we dropped by this afternoon. Been a very tiring weeks for the both of us because it's Ramadan. We are very busy, and we're gonna try this one now and see how it tastes. Great. This wrapped with spring roll, I guess. Yeah, spring roll. Inside is something that's very nice. This one, there's a cream inside, and they're gonna introduce this one later. I think the cashier was able to introduce this one to us while we are in the bakery.
Time is up and I'm calling up my friends.
Available only in Ramadan. We have right here حلاوة الجبن. It's only Lebanese. مفروكة. مدلوقة. عصملية. كنافة نابلسية. وربات قشطة. وقطايف قشطة. You see right here. The place is a little bit crowded.
So guys, Ramadan is the 9th month of the Islamic calendar. Once it started, Muslims should not eat or drink between dawn and sunset. This usually continues for 30 days.
Ain't no wonder why, ain't no wonder right too. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you
Fasting is supposed to teach Muslims about patience and faith, and to think about how the poor and homeless suffers without lots of foods. It helps them also to be more obedient and less greedy. By the way, this is not a sponsored video of Chamsin Bakery, but we just wanted to showcase the sweets that are available during Ramadan for everyone to see and to taste, especially the tourists.
I can help you out.
حلاوة الجبن طرابلسية، مدلوقة، مفروكة، كنافة، هاي قطايف مع قشطة، هاي وربات قشطة، هاي عسملية، مدلوقة، وحلاوة الجبن عادي، وهاي ورد الشام. ميرسي.
شكرا. Saim.
أكيد. يس.
Ramadan Kareem.
ميرسي وعليك.
Here we go again. Trying hard.
When the sun goes down and it gets dark, the Muslim people will start eating again. This is called breaking the fast or Iftar. Some of these sweets are available in the Lebanese Muslims table depending on their preference.
If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out. 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 Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no wonder why.
The cream قشطة.
Okay.
It's cream inside, a little bit crunchy. It's delicious, very delicate and nice. I think you gotta try it.
And there's like a pistachio crust,
Yeah.
pistachio on top, right?
Crushed pistachio on top.
Wanna change.
One thing is, some of the sweets are fried in front of the bakery also, so we were able to see this one. And this one, I like this so much. This has crushed pistachio on it and something stuff inside also. So gonna try this. So when you are so tired and you have no time to cook because it's a busy day, I think it's best to have this. But not all the time, because too much sweet also is bad. And since Ramadan is about giving, we would like to take this opportunity to invite everyone to join us in our back to school charity event in Bani Central Elementary School, my alma mater in my hometown. To those interested, please follow me on Facebook, Sam Rain or Joel Sanchez. And thank you so much to those who are willing to share their blessings. By the way, guys, I would like to say hello to our Muslim friend in the Philippines, Mikara and Marichel. Ramadan Kareem, guys, and hope to see you soon, inshallah.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no